Okay, this is another quick little video on how you can edit the thank you card. So you would click here, look for the thank you card, click on the button for the use template. And unless you want to change some kind of text here, which I've already addressed in other videos where you can just double click and change the text, this card is done. So the only thing that you would need to do then is go up and print it. So you would share, download, go into PDF print, best for printing, click on crop, marks, and bleed, flatten your PDF, and then download. And it's going to download as a PDF. I'll show you really quickly. And just in case you're wondering what a crop mark is, see these little black buttons right here, these little black dots right here and right here. So these are so the printer knows where to cut the card. So the card will come out with a nice little 3.5 by 5 inches, which fits perfectly in Prince of Love's envelopes. That's what a crop mark is, just so they know where to cut. When we talk about bleed, we're talking about color that goes past the cut line. So see how this cut line would go right here. But any excess of color or graphic that comes over that area, here again, it's coming over this area, the cut area, that's called a bleed. That's so that when the card gets printed, it's nice and clean. That way the graphic or the extra color goes right up to the cut line. So that's what that's for. That's what that means. If you didn't click that other button, then these cut lines would not be there. If we didn't click bleed, it wouldn't be showing the excess. It would just have cut it off here as you're looking at it. Okay, so that's this little FYI. You would go ahead and save this to your desktop. And then you would take this file, this is the PDF file that you would send off to Prince of Love or to whatever printer you would want to have make your card. I like Prince of Love because they make beautiful, beautiful cards. You can choose either matte finish or a glossy finish. That's entirely up to you. And then they also include complimentary envelopes for each of these. So it's pretty awesome. And the inside of the card would just be plain white, so you can handwrite whatever it is that you'd like to do. The other reason I created these the way I did on the thank you card and did not have the name or the picture of the person is that if you decided to print a lot of these different cards and then you didn't need to use them all to thank people for the memorial or for the funeral or celebration of life or for helping with whatever it is they did, these thank you cards will stand alone as just a beautiful thank you card, double purpose. All right, and that's it for the thank you card. Hope this helps. And I'll see you in the next module.